Yeah, take it away from me. Now, that's right, that hand. There you go. There you go, perfect. And that way you can control him with the other hand. All right, give me 6 feet long. Good, perfect.
Good boy. Good boy, man.
Good. Good. And you can put the other hand down on his ass end.
Push.
There you go.
Merrick. Push.
Hold him right up. Good. Perfect. Let him come out 3 feet. Good boy. Good boy. A little bit closer. A little bit closer. Good boy. There you go. 3 feet. There you go. Good. Stop right there. That's perfect. Miss. Good. There you go. Here it comes.
Good boy, man. Good boy. Good boy.
Ike! Come up here, praise him.
Good boy.
Reel it in. Good boy.
Good boy, Merrick. Good. Good boy. Good boy.
Okay. This time we're going to do a long bite and let him off the leash.
Okay. I'm going to hook the leash?
Yep, unhook the leash and send him.
Okay.
Good, stop right there. Just remember, try not to be so herky-jerky.
Yes, sir.
Back him up.
Okay.
There you go, good. Now grab the collar. Hold tight. All right, send him.